Okay, we started. Okay, boom. Here we go. This is the countdown, the final countdown. No more talking after this. If I say the first number, no more talking, okay? If I say the first number, no more talking. We start at 16. And look at the picture. Nikle, smiley, sparkles. 16. Here we go. No more talking. Full focus. Everybody pray, please.
15.
14.
13.
12.
11.
10.
9.
8.
7.
6.
5.
5.
Please, please.
4.
3.
2.
1. Titan Holo.
Let's get it!
Titan Holo. Titan Holo.
Time.
Titan Holo. Titan Holo. Titan Holo, you sexy beast, bro. Titan Holo, you sexy beast, bro, please. Titan Holo, please. Titan Holo, I swear on God, bro. I swear on God, bro. 3, 2, 1, everybody. Titan Holo. Titan Holo. Titan Holo. Titan Holo. Titan Holo. Titan Holo. 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 Holo.
Oh.
Okay.
I mean, it could have been worse. It could have
That's
been worse.
hey,
What's
hey, okay.
Oh.
Is that? Oh.
A holo is a holo, no? A holo is a holo.
Yes.
How much is that?
Holla. Wait, let me check.
Sparkles, initial reaction. Are you happy or no? Or is it like
I'm happy with the holo, dude. I was quite convinced you were going to get a paper. So this is
Chat.
easy.
I'm actually surprised. Yeah.
Oh, my chat says no. Oh, Sparkles.
Oh no.
How is that a loss? Oh my.
Oh no.
It could have been a lot worse. It could have been a lot worse.
No.
How much is that then?
Hellraiser solo. We did we even see the Titan? I didn't see it.
I didn't
Yeah,
see
exactly.
it. Wasn't in there.
Not once, no?
No.
What? I'm checking the VOD.
I can't believe that.
I
was
would have seen it, I would have
cannot
felt
believe
it.
that. What?
The last time it rolled by like 3 times or some shit, no?
It landed right next to it last time.